Query number 10. Parent have asked that her child is throwing paper and pencil out of the window on and off for many years now. So this has become a habit for the child, and the reason I can guess out of the question asked is that the child is trying to run away from academics basically, and maybe what academics is happening right now is the child is finding it very difficult to cope and is not able to say no to it, so trying to run away from the situation. So the best is that if the pencil and paper is thrown out of the window, child is guessing that he for time being he will not be able, he won't have to do academics for some time. Until then, mother brings another piece of paper and pencil for the child, or maybe the parent is just like not focusing on the academics immediately after the paper and pencil is thrown away. So this is a kind of escaping which the child is trying to do. So this is what my understanding is after reading the question. So now accordingly I am giving the answer. In case you feel that this is not the situation, then please put another question in the group telegram page, so that I can answer it next time whenever I am giving the answers. So now the answer is for this question is that we need to check that whatever academics, whenever it happens, you have to read that situation and find out whether your child is finding it difficult to understand the concept which you are teaching him or you are asking him to do. If that is true, he's finding it difficult, then please go behind it and try to cover the basics of the academics whatever you are doing, and make it sure that the child is understanding. It's very important that child is understanding the basic and also enjoys doing it. Change your ways, try to take help, try to find a very variety ways of doing the same thing, so that your child gets interest in the academics again and he will not try to run away from the situation. um, Academics cannot be forced on our children. That is what I have understood until now when I am doing it with my own child. And they want to know everything, like reason behind doing things. Sometimes, if the academics which they are doing is not meaningful for them, they will try to run away from it. So try to find meaning of like try to make a connection between experience and the academics they are doing, so that they can enjoy whatever they are doing. They know the meaning of it, and they are internally motivated to do it. So I totally support the motivation part, because unless the child is feeling motivated to do something, he or she won't be interested in it and will show behaviors like this. So please try to find out why he is doing it. If it is because of the difficulties he is facing doing the academics, loss of interest, then please change your ways of doing the academics with him. Try to find alternative funny playful ways to do the same thing through worksheet, through his interest based learning. And I think then slowly he will not do that. And in case you feel that even if you try hard and still your child is not showing interest, and he just wants to run away from the situation, then you show him that throwing pencil paper will not affect me. I will still bring another paper and pencil, and you have to finish that work. Okay, so be strict on that part. In case you feel that everything is going fine and still your child is just trying to be naughty, then please bring another paper and pencil and finish that work with your child. And Also, don't react a lot when he is putting it outside the window, because maybe he is also enjoying your reaction based on what he or she is doing. So don't give that reaction to him. So he will not find it very, what you call that, very motivated to do it, to throw it away. And he will be like, he will not enjoy that, doing that, because he's not getting any reaction from you. So, and continue your work like and nothing happened, kind of, and keep doing it, and he will slowly lose interest in throwing it out of the window. So this is what I have understood in this journey, and I am giving you suggestion. So I hope it helps you. Do let me know whether it helped. All the best.